According to United Nations, the food sector represents around 30% of total consumption of energy in the world and 22% of total greenhouse gas emissions. The most serious environmental impacts on food could be produced in the production phase, farming and food processing. Homes are influenced by these impacts through their habits and their dietetic selections. This consequently affects the environment through energy consumption related to food and residues generation. Who are affected? Consumer and producer markets are part of the chain that is affected by this problem. Consumers strongly influence the market, so starting to change the way they consume is a great start. EkoGo gives you the solution, raising awareness and giving good habits for the consumers. We contribute benefitably to the ecosystem, while we offer personal benefits to whom uses our app. As you make purchases for healthy products that are good for the ecosystem, the body and the environment will grant discounts and benefits for the future purchase for the users. One of the features of the app is a virtual exchangeable coin that can be used by users to get products. We will come with a model of machine learning that is going to learn from the intake of the different profiles of users. This way, EkoGo personalizes the shopping list you suggest, focusing on the products that are usually bought as well as the best products of the season and the new ones that would be inserted in the market. So, with this integration, we're going to use IBM Watson also for predictions about the healthy products. We live in a world that increasingly accepts tokens, so we think that it's indispensable to make use of the blockchain technology to decentralize, generate value, and bring security in transactions, all for green consumption. Our app with EcoCoin will generate that value with the Ethereum blockchain network and will benefit through smart contracts to automate the acquisition of these tokens that justify the green consumption and the responsible production that is given among the beneficiaries of the app. And here we can see our architecture.
EkoGo App. For each user who uses the app, our team will plant a tree. In this way, you will have a made change from the first moment you download our app. We're going to see our location and we're going to put our address and then continue. So then we're going to see our places or markets that we can buy. After this, our app is going to say that thanks for your responsible buy and your buy is turned to set green. We left 53 coins for you. And we can see on the top left side of the screen, you can see the amount quantity of EcoCoins. In this case, we had 1000 EcoCoins and we can send to our friends. Here we can set the quantity of EcoCoins that we're going to send. In this case, I'm going to put 100. It will be a QR code to share with our friends or family. After that, now our EcoCoins are going to be less, in this case 900, but if we got another mobile and we want to receive money, we're going to admit camera and we're going to read our QR code.